Today we are working on Excel Expert lesson for the 7th lesson, allowing ranges for data. So this is what we should have open, and step 1 says select cells B5 through B6. So B5 and B6. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click the Format and click Lock Cell. And that actually unlocks them because we had locked them previously. With those cells still selected, on the Review tab, click the Review tab, and then click Allow Edit Ranges. The Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box is displayed. Click New, and that opens the New Range dialog box. Select the title in the title box. So mine's already selected, so then type Loan Data. Loan Data. Click in the Range Password text box and type 456. Then click OK. In the Confirm Password dialog box, type 456 and click OK. The completed Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box is displayed. In the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box, click Protect Sheet, which is down here on the bottom left corner. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, scroll up if necessary, then select the Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked checkboxes to turn them back on. So I'll scroll up to the top. Excuse me. Select. So I want you to select these two things to turn them back on. We turned them off previously. Click in the password to unprotect the sheet box, type 123. And then click OK. In the Confirm Password dialog box, type 123 and click OK. With the worksheet now protected, change the value on a cell that is simply unlocked. So select B4 and enter 10,000. So mark that as answered. Go to the next step. Select B5 and press any key. Because this cell is one of the locked ranges, the unlocked range dialog box is displayed. So when you click in a key, this pops up. So we type 456, that's what we did before. Now select cell B5 and enter the number 5. Mark that as answered. Select cell B6 and enter 36. So now this is what you should have: 10,000, 5%, 36, and these numbers down here. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 3 green check marks. This completes allowing ranges for data.